Today we are going to discuss about that two-dimensional heat equation. It is a very lengthy topic. Two-dimensional heat equation is very lengthy topic and final topic also. Lot of subtopics are there. First, we write the heading: two-dimensional two-dimensional heat equation. Two-dimensional heat equation. There are two types of the two-dimensional heat equation. Is there? One is steady state, unsteady state. That means transient state. Unsteady state is two-dimensional heat equation dou u by dou t equal to alpha square rho square rho square u by rho x square plus rho square u by rho y square. This is for unsteady state. For the steady state, for the steady state, this dou u by dou t is 0. That is rho square u by rho x square plus rho square u by dou y square. This is also can be written as del square u equal to 0. This equation is called Laplace equation. So throughout the chapter, we will consider only the steady state conditions of the two-dimensional heat equation. Next, we are going to find that the solution of possible solutions. Two-dimensional heat equation. Possible solutions of two-dimensional heat equation. Actually, it is for the Cartesian coordinate. So this is the equation for Cartesian coordinate. This is a Cartesian coordinate. The same equation can be written in polar coordinates. Polar coordinates. Rho square u by rho r square plus 1 by r rho u by rho r plus 1 by r square rho square u by rho theta square equal to 0. It is an equation of the two-dimensional heat in polar coordinates. Okay. This one is note. So here we can find that the solution of two-dimensional heat equation by variable separable method. By variable separable method, u of x comma y can be written as x of x y of y. So what is dou square u by dou x square? That is equal to x double dash of x into y of y. Similarly, dou square u by dou y square equal to x of x y double dash of y. So substituting this in this Laplace equation, this equation number 2, this equation number 3. Substituting 2 and 3 in Laplace equation, we will get that x double dash y plus xy double dash equal to 0. So separating the variable x double dash y equal to minus xy double dash. When you are separating the variable, what you get? This implies x double dash by x equal to minus y double dash by y. So let us take that is equal to some constant k, some constant k. Okay, therefore these two equations can be written as x double dash minus kx equal to 0, y double dash plus ky equal to 0. This is equation number 4. This is equation number 5. This is equation number 4, equation number 5. Now we start with that k value may be positive. Write case 1. If k is positive, that means k equal to p square. K is positive, k equal to p square. Then we'll get that x double dash minus p square x equal to 0, and then y double dash plus p square y equal to 0. So what is the auxiliary equation here? Auxiliary equation is m square minus p square equal to 0, m square plus p square equal to 0. So what are the roots here? What are the roots? M equal to plus or minus p. At the same time here, m equal to plus or minus ip. So here roots are real and unequal. Here roots are complex. So therefore we can write that x equal to a1 e power px plus a2 e power minus px. T equal to a3, not t, y y equal to a3 cos py plus a4 sin py. Therefore, what is u of x comma y here? X comma y is x of x y of y na. So a1 e power px plus a2 e power minus px um, a3 cos py plus a4 sin py. This u of x comma y is that first possible solution. We go for the case 2. Case 2. What is case 2 here? In case k is negative, that means k equal to minus p square. P may be positive or negative. K is always negative. So the equation, this equation number 4 and 5 becomes equation 4 and 5 becomes x double dash plus p square x equal to 0, y double dash minus p square y equal to 0. What are the auxiliary equations here? Auxiliary equations are m square plus p square equal to 0, m square minus p square equal to 0. So m equal to plus or minus ip, m equal to plus or minus p. Okay. So what is u of x comma y? As per this, x is what is x here? X is already we are using up to a4 constant. Na? a5 cos px plus a6 sin px, a5 cos px, a6 sin px, a7 e power py. It is we can write directly. No need to write the x and y. So here we can write this as u of x comma y. U of x comma y. a7 e power py plus a8 e power minus py. This equation number 2. Second possible solution. So this one is first possible solution. This one is second possible solution. Now we come to the third possible solution. In case k is, first we take it that k is positive, second we took that k is negative. Case 3. So anybody is not writing full that last slide, that you have to inform me, then only I can wait for some time. Otherwise, if you are not asking anything, I can move. Okay. So here k equal to 0. Case k equal to 0. Everyone, already I mentioned that everyone has to write the notes properly, because more than 95% the questions will come from my notes only. So in case k equal to 0, then x double dash equal to 0, y double dash equal to 0. So what is x double dash? Integrate one side, one time, x dash equal to a8 already complete, na? a9. So x is what? a9x plus a10. Similarly y equal to a11y plus A12. So what is u of x comma y? U of x comma y equal to a9x plus a10 a11y plus a12. This is third possible solution. Okay. So now we see that all the possible solutions. How can we know that which one is the suitable solution? Suitable solution. First we start with that finite plate. Based on the physical nature of the problem, we can, so in the one-dimensional heat equation and one-dimensional wave equation, we have choose one suitable solution. But in the two-dimensional heat equation, we are not able to choose the suitable solution at the time. Previously. We have to choose a suitable solution based on the problem only. Okay, finite plate. There are two types of the finite plate. One is rectangular plate. One more is square plate. Rectangular plate and square plate. Now, how to write the boundary conditions? How to write the boundary conditions? It may be that rectangular plate or square plate. Okay, first I take that one square plate. It is, okay, take it this up. This is square plate. Here it is 0, comma 0. Generally, I can draw some bigger diagram. Okay. I want to complete. Oh, fine. Yeah. Ah, plate. Okay, fine. This is the square plate. Now I write all the points here. What is this? In case if I take that length is a, in case if it is x equal to a, and then it is y equal to a. This is y equal to a. This straight line is x equal to a. This straight line is y equal to a. This point is what? A comma a. A comma a. This is x-axis, na? X-axis can be written as y equal to 0. Y-axis can be written as x equal to 0. Now I write the temperature of the plate. Temperature of the plate is the three sides are 0, one side is non-zero in case. That is u of x comma 0 is 0. This side is u of a comma y equal to 0. This side is u of 0 comma y equal to 0. Okay, all the three sides are 0. Only one side temperature. What is general temperature? U of x comma y is the general temperature. But in the side, if it is non-zero, it is non-zero. That means u of x comma a equal to sum f of x. U of x comma a equal to sum f of x. Because we are keeping that y as constant, then it should be that function of x. Okay. So all the three sides are 0. Only one side is non-zero. Then the non-zero temperature is parallel to x-axis. Is parallel to x-axis. You can write the note here. Write the note. How to write the boundary conditions? All the conditions are boundary condition. No initial condition here because it is independent of time t. Na? Boundary condition. First, you have to write that all the zero boundary condition. Then you have to write the non-zero boundary condition. So first one is these two sides you have to write. So u of 0 comma y equal to 0. U of 0 comma y equal to 0. Second one. U of a comma y equal to 0. U of a comma y equal to 0. Then u of x comma 0 equal to 0. U of x comma 0 equal to 0. Finally write that u of x comma a equal to f of x. Equal to f of x. Okay, these are the boundary condition. Then what is the suitable solution? What is the suitable solution? Please keep it in mind, the non-zero is parallel to x-axis. The non-zero boundary condition is parallel to x-axis. The sine and cosine terms contains in terms of x. There are two possible solutions are there. See here, you can see here, the sine and cosine terms which is contained in x coordinate. Here you can see the sine and cosine term contains in y. So therefore here, if the non-zero boundary condition is parallel to x-axis, then the sine and cosine terms contains in x-axis. Therefore, for this case, the suitable solution is u of x comma y equal to, please keep it in mind, u of x comma y equal to a cos px plus b sin px c e power by plus d e power minus by. It is one case. It is one case. Okay. Now I go to the second case. Once again I explain, in case if it is a square plate or rectangular plate, whatever it may be. Okay. In case non-zero boundary condition is parallel to x-axis, then the sine and cosine terms should contain in terms of x. Okay. Then next one. Second one is a square plate. Is a square plate. What are the points here? The points are 0 comma 0, a comma 0, a comma a, and then 0 comma a. Okay. So in case these three sides temperature is 0, here u equal to 0, u is 0 here, u temperature is 0 here, but u equal to some function of y. U equal to some function of y, because we keep it that a is a constant, y is a variable, u is some function of y. Here the non-zero is parallel to y-axis. The non-zero is parallel to y-axis. At the time we have to write the boundary conditions. What are the boundary conditions? First you have to write that these two boundary conditions. What we have done already, see here we have written that these two boundary conditions first. These two boundary condition first. One, second boundary condition, it is the third boundary condition, it is the fourth boundary condition. But here we have to write that this is first boundary condition, this is second boundary condition, this one is third boundary condition, this is fourth boundary condition, quite opposite. Okay, so u of y equal to 0 na, u of x comma 0, u of x comma 0 equal to 0 is the first one. Second one is u of x comma a equal to 0. Third one is u of here x is 0 na, 0 comma y equal to 0. Last one, u of a comma y equal to some f. Then what is the suitable solution? U of x comma y equal to a e power py plus b e power minus py c, sorry, not y, x na. Even I done the mistake, you have to be careful. So to correct it, c cos py plus d sin py is a suitable. So the third possible solution is ruled out. Anyway, this solution, it is one of the possible solution, but it will not be that suitable solution for any case. Okay, we can omit the third one. Now we can write the problem now. A square plate a square plate bounded by the lines bounded by the lines x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equal to L, x equal to L, comma, y equal to L, length L. Its faces are insulated. Its faces are insulated. Already I explained what is called insulated ends. Insulated means the temperature will not be through in the rod. That means will not be immediately passed through in the rod. Once uniformly heated in the rod, then only the heat will be transferred inside that rod. That is called the insulated ends. The temperature along the temperature along the upper horizontal edge along the horizontal edge the upper horizontal edge is given by horizontal edge is given by u of x comma n, u of x comma n equal to x into L minus x into L minus x, while the other three edges, while other other three edges are kept at 0 degrees C. Are kept at 0 degrees C. 0 degree C. Find the steady state temperature. Find the steady state temperature in the plate. Find the steady state temperature in the plate. Okay. So first we draw the diagram for this given problem. A square plate bounded by the lines x equal to 0, y equal to 0 is a square plate. X equal to 0, y equal to 0. So x equal to 0 here, y equal to 0 here, x equal to L, and then y equal to L. And then u of x comma L. What is u of x comma L? This is u of x comma L. This end is u of x comma L. This end u of x comma L equal to x into L minus x into L minus x, while the other three edges are kept at 0 degree C. That means u of x comma 0 is 0. Here u of 0 comma y equal to 0. The third one, this one, u of L comma y equal to 0. You have to write the solution. Write the solution. Will you draw the diagram? Can I move? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can write the solution here. So what is the equation to be solved? The equation to be solved, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0. Here the non-zero boundary condition is parallel to x-axis. Therefore, the suitable solution is u of x comma y equal to a cos px plus b sin px c e power ey plus p e power minus e. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now, what are the boundary conditions? The boundary conditions are 1. What are the two boundary conditions? First, you have to write that this one is boundary condition 1, this is boundary condition 2, this is boundary condition 3, non-zero boundary condition, this is boundary condition 4. So what is boundary condition 1 here? U of 0 comma y is 0. U of 0 comma y equal to 0. Second boundary condition is U of L comma y equal to 0. Third boundary condition is U of x comma 0 equal to 0. Fourth boundary condition is final boundary condition. And write it here. Fourth boundary condition is U of x comma L. Final boundary condition. U of x comma L equal to x into L minus x. X into L minus x. Where the interval is 0 to L. So we have to apply that the boundary condition one by one in equation number 2. Okay, that is we have to update the boundary condition 1. Write down. Apply boundary condition 1 in 2. What is boundary condition 1? U of 0 comma y equal to 0. That is, I have to substitute x equal to 0. When you are substituting x equal to 0 here, what happened? X equal to 0 means this is 1, this is 0. So we'll get that a into e power c e power py plus d e power minus py. But what is u of 0 comma y? U of 0 comma y is 0 na? So 0 equal to a into c e power py plus d e power minus py. Here c e power where c e power py plus d e power minus py is not equal to 0. Therefore, only possibility is a equal to 0. Because c e power py plus d e power minus py is 0, then u of x comma y fully 0. So that is not possible. Therefore, we can take that a equal to 0. Substitute a equal to 0 in 2. If you are substituting a equal to 0 into, what do you get? U of x comma y equal to b sin px c e power py plus p e power minus py. Apply the boundary condition 2. Applying boundary condition 2. This is the updated boundary, equation solution. It is 2 in 3. So what is the second boundary condition? U of L comma y equal to 0. That means substitute x equal to L in 3. Substitute x equal to L in 3. What do you get? U of x comma y equal to L comma y equal to b sin pl c e power py plus d e power minus py. e power minus py. What is u of L comma y? U of L comma y is 0. 0 equal to b sin pl c e power py plus p e power minus py. Here b is not equal to 0. This portion is not equal to 0. Only one possibility is that sin pl. Then sin pl equal to 0. That implies instead of writing 0, we can write sin n pi, because we know that sin n pi equal to 0. So pl equal to n pi, p equal to n pi by l. Substituting p equal to n pi by l in 3. Substituting p equal to n pi by l in 3, we will get what is u of x comma y? U of x comma y equal to b sin n pi x by l c e power n pi y by l plus 3 e power minus n pi y by l. This equation number 4. So it is a general one. A equal to 0 and p equal to n pi by l when you are substituting the first boundary condition and second boundary condition. Okay, so at the end of the applying boundary condition 2, you are getting u of x comma y equal to b sin n pi x by l c e power n pi y by l plus d e power minus n pi y by l. This number 4. Now apply that. Okay, first I split that. Maximum 20 slides are there, not more than. Okay, fine. Split the board. Now apply the boundary condition 3. Apply boundary condition 3 in 4. So what is boundary condition 3 here? What is boundary condition 3 here? That Ghulam.
Yes, sir.
What is boundary condition 3?
Ux 0 is equal to 0.
Sorry. U of x comma 0 is 0. That means what? Meaning is substituting y equal to 0. When you are substituting y equal to 0 in u of x comma y, u of x comma 0 will become b sin n pi x by l into c e power py. Yeah? If you are substituting y equal to 0, what happened? C plus d. So therefore, already we defined that b is not equal to 0. Under sin n pi x by l also not equal to 0. So only possibility is that c plus d equal to 0. Therefore, d equal to minus c. D equal to minus c. Substituting d equal to minus c in 4. Substituting d equal to minus c in 4, we get that u of x comma y equal to u of x comma y equal to b sin n pi x by l c e power n pi y by l plus d, sorry, minus c na, d equal to minus c minus c e power minus n pi by l. Take it c outside, b c sin n pi x by l e power n pi y by l minus e power minus n pi y by l. You know one formula, e power theta minus e power minus theta equal to what? Anybody? Anybody? E power theta minus e power minus theta.
So 2 sin theta.
2 sin theta is somewhat okay, but 2 sin h theta. E power I theta minus e power minus theta is 2i sin n theta. 2i sin theta. Okay, e power theta minus e power minus theta is 2 sin h theta. So here we can write that b into c b c sin n pi x by l into 2 sin h n pi y by l. So here bc is there, 2 is there. We can take it 2bc equal to 2bc equal to some bn. Then we can write that u of x comma y equal to u of x comma y equal to u of x comma y equal to summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by l into sin sin h n pi y by l. This is equation number 5. So after applying the 3 boundary condition, we are getting u of x comma y like that. Apply that last boundary condition. Apply boundary condition 4. We get u of x comma l, u of x comma l equal to summation of n equal to 1 to infinity vn sin n pi x by l into, we are substituting that l what happened, sin h n pi, sin h n pi In case if it is sin n pi, then it is 0. By sin h n pi is not equal to 0. Sin h n pi is not equal to 0. So we can write here Bn sin h n pi sin h n pi is some Bn value. Some Bn. But what is u of x comma l? U of x comma l is some f of x. Some f of x. So therefore, final u of x comma l is some f of x. F of x equal to summation of n equal to 1 to infinity, summation of n equal to 1 to infinity Bn sin n pi x by l sin n pi x by l. Actually, this f of x is what? X into l minus x. So, what is this? This is the half range Fourier sine series. Half range Fourier sine series. So what is Bn here? Bn equal to 2 by n integral of 0 to L f of x sine n pi x by L into dx. 2 by n 0 to L. F of x is what? Lx minus x square. Okay. Lx minus x square sine n pi x by L into dx. Using Bernoulli's formula, expand this. Bn equal to 2 by L. First you write that u Lx minus x square. V is what? Integration of sine is minus cos n pi x by L divided by n pi by L minus Lx minus x square differentiation is Lx minus x square differentiation is L minus 2x. L minus 2x. Integration of minus cos is minus sine. Minus sine n pi x by L divided by n pi by n whole square. Finally, the alternately plus or minus. So you know that what is called the Bernoulli's, na? Bernoulli's. What is called Bernoulli's? Anybody? Bernoulli's formula: integral over u dv. Integral over u dv equal to. Can you tell me the Bernoulli's formula? கிளாஸ்ல எத்தனை பேர் அட்டெண்ட் பண்றீங்க? Integral over u dv Bernoulli's formula plus 2 bookல இருக்கு.
uv dash
uv p dash வராது. uv u dash v1 u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus etc. இதுதான் ஓகேவா. uங்கிறது என்னது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்ம் அப்படியே எழுதணும். vங்கிறது என்ன வாட் இஸ் v here integration of second term, then differentiation of minus plus minus alternate வரணும் minus differentiation of first term u dash integration of second term v1 plus differentiation of first term u double dash integration of second term v2, okay, minus differentiation of first term u triple dash integration of second term v2 v3. So see that here lx minus x square first term அப்படியே எழுதிக்கணும் sin n pi x by l integration of second term sin n pi x by l integration is minus cos n pi x by l, then put minus here differentiation of first term then integration of second term then minus now plus so put plus here plus differentiation of first term l minus 2x is minus 2 integration of second term is minus sign means minus plus sorry minus already minus is there, sign of integration is minus cos, so minus plus cos n pi x by l divided by n pi by l whole cube. So next time வருமா வராதா minus போட்டா differentiation of minus 2 என்ன ஆயிடும் 0 ஆயிடும், so leave it. Okay, so here the integration is 0 to l. 0 to l is the limit. In that interval of 0 to l, sin term is fully 0. Leave it. And then if you substituting l here, l square minus l square 0 by down. In case if you substituting 0 also 0. So this is also 0. This also 0. This also 0. Only one term is there. That is minus 2. So what is bn here? What is bn? Simplifying, after simplifying what you get? 4l square by n cube pi cube. I skip 2 steps. You have to do that. 1 minus of why 1 minus? If you substituting l here, we'll get that cos n pi minus, so I'll write one more step better because you are not able to understand this. One more step here. So if you substituting cos n pi minus 2 also outside, here minus is there, then first you apply that, okay, take it minus here, cos n pi minus cos 0. So 4l square by n cube pi cube, take it that minus inside, cos 0 1 minus cos n pi is minus 1 whole power n. Here bn equal to 0 when try that. Bn equal to 0 when n is odd, n is even. when that Bn is 0. I am asking simple question. இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறீங்க 1 minus of minus 1 whole power n. Bn equal to 0 when
n is even, sir.
n is even. Very good. When n is even. N is odd, na? Bn equal to, when n is odd means 8l square by n cube pi cube when n is odd. Okay. Pi cube when n is odd. But we need that an value. So, sorry, not an, bn value. Bn sin h n pi is small bn. So, here we are finding small bn, but we record that capital B. So, what is capital Bn here? Bn equal to small bn divided by sin h n pi. So Bn by, what is Bn here? Substitute that value, 8l square by n cube pi cube divided by sin h n pi. So
Yes, miss.
capital Bn equal to 8l square by n cube pi cube sin h n pi. Okay. So substitute this Bn in the equation number 5. In the equation number 5. Substituting Bn in equation number 5. Therefore, the solution of 1 is u of x comma y equal to summation of n equal to 1, 3, 5 to infinity, because even Bn equal to 0 na, so n is 1, 3, 5 to infinity, 8l square by n cube pi cube sin h n pi into sin n pi x pi l into sin h n pi y by l. It should come here. Actually, sin h n pi y by l should come here. Okay, there is no space, that's why I write it here. Fine. It is a square plate. In case if it is a rectangular plate, then we how can we solve it? So one more problem in x direction. A boundary value problem. It is in X direction. Better we'll go for the Y direction. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Today we'll discuss one more problem. Wait for 2 minutes. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Boundary value problem. Governing the steady state. Steady state. Just wait. Hello? Hello? யாருங்க? சொல்லுங்க. ம். இல்லைங்க மேடம். இல்லைங்களே, அது பிளாகரிசம் ப்ராசஸ்ல வேற ஆள் பார்க்குறாங்க. சௌரவ் குமார் கட்டியார்னு ஒன்று இருக்கும் பாருங்க, நெட்ல இருக்கு. அவரை தாங்க கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணணும். சரிங்க. Steady state. Temperature distribution. Temperature distribution in a flat. Or thin square plate. A thin square plate is given by rho square rho by rho x square plus rho square rho by rho y square equal to 0, where 0 less than x comma y less than in u of x comma 0 equal to 0, u of x comma a equal to 4 sin cube pi x by a, u of 0 comma y equal to u of a comma y equal to 0, where 0 less than y less than a. Find the steady state temperature and the steady state temperature in the plate. And then we'll see the solution for this. So what is the equation to be solved? The equation to be solved is this equation. Rho square over rho x square plus rho square by rho y square equal to 0. You know the suitable solution. Suitable solution, the non-zero boundary condition u of x comma a, na, that is y is constant. Y is constant. So when y is constant, Even the last problem also y is constant. You are getting f of x. Is it not? A non-zero boundary condition is f of x. Then the sine and cosine terms is contained in A. So what is the suitable solution? U of x comma y equal to A cos px plus B sin px C e power py plus p e power minus py. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. Okay. So the boundary conditions are what is the boundary condition here? What are the boundary conditions? Can anyone can tell me the boundary conditions are? First you have to write the zero boundary condition, then you have to write the non-zero boundary condition. Boundary condition 1 is u of 0 comma y equal to 0. Second one is u of a comma y equal to 0. Third boundary condition is u of x comma 0 equal to 0. Last boundary condition u of x comma a equal to 4 sin cube pi x by a. 4 sin cube pi x by a, where 0 less than x less than a. Now when you are applying the first boundary condition, what you get? Applying the boundary condition 1, apply boundary condition 1, what you get? A equal to 0. When you are applying the boundary condition 2, applying boundary condition 2, what you get? P equal to n pi by a. In the previous problem, the length is L, but here the length of the plate is A. So therefore, applying the boundary condition 2, you get the P equal to n pi by A. When you are applying the third boundary condition, boundary condition 3, when you are applying the boundary condition 3, what do you get? When you are applying the boundary condition 3, what do you get? Bhargavi?
Yes, sir.
இருக்கியா? என்ன
Sir?
எழுதுட்டியா? லாஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் எழுதுனியா?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. BC equal to 2BN.
2b இல்லம்மா. Applying the boundary condition 3, அதோட எண்ட்ல என்ன வந்தது நமக்கு? கரெக்ட்டா சொல்லு.
Sir, UXY is equal to BC
நான் u
into
of x,
sin n pi
y
x.
கேக்கல நானு. Applying the boundary condition 3 போடும்போது என்ன வந்தது நமக்கு? D equal to minus c வந்ததா?
So C equal, C plus D equal to 0, sir.
ஆமா ஆமா. c plus d நான்
So
திரும்ப
D equal
பின்னால
to
போக
minus.
முடியல, அதனால தான் கேக்குறேன். c plus d equal to 0. சரி, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் என்ன பண்ணோம்? d equal to minus e யா? u of x comma y என்ன? What is the u of x comma y here? At the end of third boundary condition. At the end of that boundary condition, what is u of x comma y? Renuka Devi. Renuka Devi இல்லையா? பத்மஸ்ரீ எல்லாருமே இருக்கீங்க, அப்புறம் ஏன் ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ண மாட்டேங்கிறீங்க? நோட்ஸ் எழுதுறது இல்லையா நீங்க?
Sir, summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin n
Summation
pi
of
x
n
by
equal to 1 to infinity bn,
bn.
capital Bn,
Yes, sir.
capital Bn into
sin n pi x by L
sin n pi x by L into
sin h by L.
n pi
Y by
bn
L.
into sin n pi x n pi y by L. அதுக்கப்புறம் sin h n pi.
Yes, sir. Sin
sin h n pi வரதா?
Yes, sir. Varu, sir. Sin h n pi y by L. Last term.
இது ஏதோ தப்பு பண்றேன். சரி, இல்ல sin h n pi y by L கரெக்ட். சரி, so u of x comma y equal to summation of n pi n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L. இது ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குதா? சரி, L இல்ல, L வராது. என்ன வரும்? லென்த்னா இங்க a n pi y by a. So last boundary condition, what is the last boundary condition here? U of x comma a, u of x comma a. U of x comma a means, what is u of x comma a is given 4 sin cube pi x by a equal to, so substituting y equal to a here, what you get? Summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn, n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by a into sin h n pi, sin h n pi. Okay, but what is sin cube theta? Sin 3 theta is what? What is sin 3 theta? Anybody? Nandini Devi.
Sir, 3 sin theta minus
3 sin
4 sin
3
cube theta, sir.
3 sin theta
Minus
minus
4 sin cube theta, sir.
so what is 4 sin cube theta? What is 4 sin cube theta? Very good, Divya Tripathi, you are correct only. 4 sin cube theta is what? Very simple, na? 3 sin theta minus
Sin 3 theta, sir.
sin 3 theta. Very good. So 4 sin cube pi x by a equal to instead of theta you have to substitute pi x by a. 3 sin pi x by a minus sin 3 pi x by a. So substituting 4 sin cube pi x by a in this equation, you substitute that 4 sin cube pi x by a, this one. Then what is u of okay, fine. So 4 sin cube pi x by a equal to, next step is, let Let 3 sin pi x by a, 3 sin pi x by a minus sin cube pi x by a why it's done? Fine. 3 sin pi x by a minus sin 3 pi x by a, not sin cube, sin 3 pi x by a equal to summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by a into sin h n pi. Is it not? When you are expanding this, what you get? b1 sin pi x by a sin pi x by a into sin h pi plus b2 sin 2 pi x by a into sin h 2 pi plus b3 sin 3 pi x by a into sin h 3 pi etc. Okay, listen. See, in the yesterday class, I told that in case the non-zero boundary condition given in terms of f of x mean x square, 3x minus x square, L into x minus x square, like that. If it is given, then we can do by using the Fourier method. Okay. In case the given non-zero boundary condition is given as sine or cos, sine cube theta or cos cube theta, you have to follow this method. Okay, there are two methods are there. One is Fourier method, one more is direct method. This is direct method. This one is direct method. Now, equating the coefficient of sin pi x by a, equating the coefficient of sin pi x by a, comma sin 3 pi. Don't write that sin cube, sin 3 pi x by a. Sin 3 pi x by a. So if you are equating that sin pi x by a, sin 3 pi x by a, what you get? b1 equal to, what is b1 here? b2, b4, b5, etc. all are equal to 0. What is b1 here, b3 here? That is when you are equating that b1 sin h pi equal to 3. b3 sin h3 pi equal to minus 1. Okay. So when you are equating that, then you will get this. Therefore, v1 equal to 3 divided by sin h pi, v3 equal to minus 1 by sin h 3 pi. substituting b1 and b3 in that u of x comma y. What is u of x comma y? U of x comma y equal to summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by a into sin h n pi y by a. Actually, it is u of x comma y. But b2, b4, b5 all are 0. Only b1, b3 will come. Then what is u of x comma y? Final solution is u of x comma y equal to u of x comma y equal to 3 by sin h pi sin pi x by a into sin h pi y by a. It is one term minus 1 by sin h 3 pi sin h 3 pi sin 3 by x by a into sin h 3 pi y by a is a solution. Divya M. The recording will be saved. Divya M. Really, okay, fine. Listen, you are sharing your link. That is just you are sharing your mail. Actually, you have to share that through your drive. Okay, in your drive, when you are sharing, that will be asking the option. Then you have to make it this as that any editor should be enabled. Then only I can download the link. Otherwise, I am not able to download the link.